Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello sir. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. Actually, I connected the hand-free with this computer. So I don't know, the ring was not, I'm
No
not able
problem.
to
No
hear that
problem.
voice.
No worries. No worries. Let's start now. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
I have shared my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. Very
Okay, good. So I think we have to start from the beginning, from ABCD, right?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. So tell me one thing. Did you watch that some videos I sent on WhatsApp? Did you watch them? Anyone?
Watched it randomly.
Okay, good. Okay. So see, we'll be starting with the first lecture. So whenever we start with any language, first of all we start with the letters ABCD. Okay. So we see what is the script used, what letters are used, and what are the respective sounds of those letters.
Okay.
Clear? So I am playing one video, the same ABCD video which you might have watched. Okay. Try to listen to it, and then we'll compare this German ABCD with the English ABCD after that. Okay? Yeah, listen to it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Once again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, that is the German ABCD, right? You have done the English ABCD, ABCD, E, F, G, H. Now this is the German ABCD. Okay, so now we'll compare it with the English ABCD. Okay, in English we have ABCD, E, F, G, right? In German we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you have to repeat with me. A, B, C, D. Speak.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G.
E, F, G.
Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then H, I, J, K.
R, E, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
R, not R. Okay. Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
Yeah, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. And next is X, Y, und Z. Okay, speak.
X, Y, Z.
Und Z. Okay, und is and. In just like X, Y, and Z. So this und. U and the und.
Yeah.
Und means and. So when I say und, that means X, Y, und Z. Clear?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So I am playing it once again, 2 times. Okay, listen to it.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Actually, I'm not able to
A,
hear.
B, C,
I'm not able to
D,
see your
E,
screen.
F, G,
Listen to it first.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, yeah, tell me, what are you saying?
Now the screen was earlier. The screen was not it was not showing. Okay, now it's I can able to see it.
Okay, no problem. Fine. So this video I am sending you, right?
Okay.
You can later download it and you can listen to it, right? So see, whenever you read, let's say if I write your name Sinto, right? So if I ask you to spell out the letters of your name, so how you will speak? You will say Sento.
Okay.
Okay. Speak
S
E
E
N
N
T
T
O. If you write my name, Raman, R-A-M-A-N, speak air,
Air,
A-M-A-N.
N.
Okay, if I write some other name, example, let's say Kamal, K-A-M-A-L, speak ABCD, A-F-G, Ha-E-Yot-Ka, so that is Ka.
M-A-L.
L, okay, right? So in your A1 exam, they will be asking you to speak the letters of your name, so you have to prepare like this.
Okay.
See, that is just the name of the letter, right? Now we have to start with the actual topic. Okay, we have to start with the actual topic, that is the sounds of these letters. Clear?
Okay.
So I am opening some rules, some tricks, they will help you to understand the sound. So see here, I will be sharing this PDF with you, later you can take a printout, okay? Try to understand this.
Okay.
Yeah. So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. Clear? Same letters from A till Z. We have two parts, vowels and consonant. First part is vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and remaining are consonants, B, C, D till Z, just like in English. Clear? So first of all, I am drawing one table. The table is if any German word ends with B, D or G. Okay?
B, D, G. Okay.
B, D, G. In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, in the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, then respectively, that B, D and G will have the per, ta and ka sound. Okay? That
B will become Pa.
Yeah, sound will become pa, not the letter. Okay?
Okay.
Only sound will change. Don't change the spelling. Only sound. Example, see this GIB, it is ending in B. Okay? So I will not call gib. I will say pa sound, gib. Speak.
Okay.
Gib. Correct. Next, second, kint.
Yes.
Next, tak.
Tak.
Okay. Gib, kint and tak. Clear? Everything?
Yes.
Gib, kint and tak. BDG, PTK. So there's one greeting, very common greeting, guten Tag.
Yeah. B will pronounce as a Pa. D will pronounce as a Ta. And G will pronounce as a Ka.
Yeah, correct. Gib, kint and tak. Very good. Okay. Next is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay. A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one, A and A. So after A, if it is one consonant. After A, if it is one consonant, it will have the A sound, otherwise A. Okay. So speak this example. Alt. Then.
Can you little bit zoom it? Little bit.
Alt. Okay.
Yeah. Now it's up.
Alt. Right.
Alt.
Yes. Next, Fragen. Next, Tragen. Because after A only one consonant, so A sound, Tragen. Okay. Clear?
Right.
Next is E. E is having the A sound. Example, speak this. Example.
S sign.
SN. Next.
SN. Equal.
Egal. Okay. Egal. Right?
E will pronounce as a
A. E will have A sound and A will have A sound. Egal. Okay.
Egal.
Egal, not agal. Egal. Speak egal.
Egal. Yeah, correct. E. Okay.
Egal, not egal. Speak egal.
Egal.
Yes. SNN. Egal. Right? Good. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. After I put in one consonant, then long E. Otherwise, short E. Clear? After I, if it is one consonant, then long E. Otherwise, short E. Okay. Otherwise, short E. Long E and short E. Yeah. So speak the example. Ist.
Then so what is the criteria like that? I will come
After
double
I,
E
if it
and
is one consonant, you have to do the counting. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E. Otherwise, short E. Okay.
okay.
After I, you
So
have to
first
count the
one is
consonants.
IST. It is more than one.
Yeah. So I double ST, it is more than one. So that's why it is the short E sound.
Yeah. If it's a one, then double E.
If it is one, then long E. Okay. If it is one, then long E. Otherwise, short E. Right.
Short E. Okay. So east and Beader.
Yeah. Ist, Vidar, and built.
Built. Okay. Yeah. Understood.
Okay. Ist, Vidar, and built. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O. Otherwise, O. Okay.
Okay.
After O, if it is one
and
consonant. Yeah. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
The first one it's more than one, so it is order.
Order, correct.
Okay, and second one it's a sol, right?
Yeah, Zol. Single S is the, double S is sir.
Right. And next is again only one.
Yeah. So speak monad.
Mount. Monout.
Monad. Okay.
Now. Okay.
Monad. Okay. Order, Zol,
And
monad, and Kor.
last. Okay, Kor. Yeah.
Okay. Order, Zol, monad, and Kor. Okay. Clear now?
Yeah.
Order, Zol, monad, and Kor.
Kor.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Okay. Speak the example. U is having the U sound. U. Normal U. Neither it is short nor it is long. Okay. Just U.
Achha. U. So U is having only one. U.
Yeah. Normal U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. Okay.
Achha, so it's a tune.
Tune. Motor. Next. And shoe. SH is sha, that becomes shoe.
SCH become shoe.
SH is sha. Yeah. SH is sha, that becomes shoe.
Shoe. Okay.
Okay. Clear now? Yeah. So first of all, what I am doing, I am sending you this PDF file. Okay. Download the PDF first of all. Revise the letters A, E, I, O, U for 5-7 minutes properly. Okay. Download. Come to the chat, Skype chat, right hand side. Yeah. Download this.
Okay, this is downloaded.
Okay, download this, go through it for 5-7 minutes, and then we'll discuss it again from the beginning.
Okay, so first one it is like that alphabet is become vowels and okay, then if it's B ending with
go through it first. First you go through it at your end, okay? After 7 minutes we'll discuss. First you revise it completely. Okay, first you revise it properly. Yeah.
see, I have a doubt here.
Yeah.
See, for example, alt, that means more than one. So it is, if it's a more than one, then AH, right? UH.
Not UH, it is a sound, okay? A sound in that case. Yeah.
Okay, if it's a one, then
If it is one, then A. If it is one consonant, then A sound. Okay.
Before a single. Okay, understood. And he will AVLS O, R and O. He will say A. SN, ASN, E, E. QA, EQA, E, EQA, equal. Equal, it's pronounced as equal, right?
Which one? Egal.
Egal.
Yeah. E is having the A sound and A will have the A sound. Egal.
They will become E and E. A. East, reader, built. E will become, D will become P. I will code as E. O will code as O. Order. ODER, it's a OD, it's a 1. If it's a 1, then OD. So the order will called OD and we need to apply for O means OH, right?
Order. Okay.
The first, see, for O, it is the first one is when it's a single, then it's a OH. Otherwise, double, it's AW, right?
It is not OH. Okay, you have to see the sound. Don't literally take the spelling. It's just the O sound. O. Order. Okay.
O. Okay,
yeah.
O.
You don't have to see OH and all. That is just a way to write O. Order. Okay.
Understood. Zowl. Monad. Okay. Or. And
okay.
This U means O. That means tone. Mutter. No.
Yeah. Start from the beginning. Okay. Speak the examples. You have to just speak the examples.
Yeah. It's a tone.
No. Start from here. From GIV. You can see my screen. From first you have to start.
Sorry. I was actually looking. Okay. So B will become P. B will become Ta.
Yeah. Speak the example. Only the example. Okay. Geep, Kind and Tak.
Geep, Kind, Tak.
Next.
Next is coming Alt, Fragen.
Alt, Fragen.
Alt, Fragen.
Next. SN.
Okay. SN.
Egal.
Okay.
Yeah.
SN, egal. Then East, Widder.
Build. Correct. Next is O. O is having O and O. Okay.
Yeah. Oder, Zoll, Monad, Corp.
Yeah, correct. Oder, Zoll, Monad and Corp. Okay.
Then Tone, Mutter, Shoe.
Okay. Tone, mutter and shoe. Right. SCH is having the sh sound. So tone, mutter and shoe.
Right. SCH is sh.
Yeah.
But the CH means sh.
Correct. SCH is sh. Complete SCH is sh. Okay.
SCH is sh.
So tone, mutter and shoe.
Shoe. Okay.
Yeah. Now we have to start with the consonant. So first consonant which we have is B. Okay. First consonant which we have is B. B in the end is P. B in the end is P and beginning or middle is B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay.
B, if it's a B will come under it's a P.
Yeah. B in the end is P and beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Right. Okay. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example. Belen.
Belen. Oben.
Oben. Next.
Oben. Corp. Geep.
Geep. Very good. Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Okay. Clear? Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Okay. C is having the K sound. So speak the example.
Camping.
Okay. Camping. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. C is having the K sound. So that becomes camping. Clear?
Camping. Yes.
Okay. Next is D. D in the end is T. Beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay. D in the end is T. Beginning or middle is D for dog. Speak the example.
Okay.
Dome.
Dome. Then Bide.
Dome. Bida.
Wider.
Bat.
Hand.
Hunt. Dome. Bida. Wider. Bat and hunt.
Dome, Wider, Bat, Hunt.
Dome, Bida, Wider, Bat and hunt. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. This EI is I. Okay. EI is having the I sound. Right?
Yeah.
EI is having the I sound. And IE is having the E. IE is having the E sound. Yeah. Now next is F. F is fur. Okay. F is fur. So speak the example. Foul. Foul. F-A-U-L. Foul.
Then shaft.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. Foul and shaft.
Foul and shaft.
Clear? Foul and shaft. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay. SCH is sh. AU is ow. AU is a vowel combination. AU is ow.
Ow.
Yeah.
Shaft.
Next is G. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. Right? Beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
And what about end?
End is ka na. End you know. BDG PTK. Okay. End is ka.
Correct. Yeah. So, Gegen.
Yeah. Gegen. Tag.
cloak,
Cloak.
cloak, cloak, cloak. You will become double O. Okay. Cloak.
Yeah. Right?
Legend of cloak.
Again, tak and cloak. Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is always silent.
Okay.
Okay. Beginning is her. First position is her, middle or end always silent.
So halt.
Halt. Next. Gain.
Gain. Gain. It's a gain or wait.
Gain.
Gain.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Zain.
Okay. Halt, gain and Zain.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear now? Halt, gain and Zain. Next is J. Next is J. Okay. J is having the ya sound. J is having the ya sound. Yeah. So speak the example. Yunga.
Younger. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yunga.
Okay, young.
Clear now?
Yes.
Clear now?
Yes, it's clear.
Next is KLMNP. Kalamanapa. Okay. Kalamanapa. Speak the example.
Yes. Kalse.
Yeah. Chicken. Yeah.
Color.
Will.
Outman. Swim.
Yeah. Swim.
And,
Next.
Remen.
Yeah.
Rennen. Brown.
Lippa. Okay. Rennen, Brown and Lippa. Correct. So revise this properly. Okay. Revise it for 10 minutes. Complete PDF from A till P. All the letters first of all. Okay. We'll be starting from the top. First you revise them. See, I am going little bit slow today because it is first lecture. Right? So once you get comfortable, then we'll pick up speed from second, third lecture. So revise it properly first. Then we'll discuss everything from the top. Okay?
We will repeat it in this part. Old Dragon. We will become the way. Hasten. A God. It will become E. E and E. Weeder, built. E. O will become O, 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 O. Oder, Sol, Monad, or Tune, Mutter, Shoe. H is starting with otherwise it's a silent. B. Bird, appendices for. Bailen, obey, for, give. Is ka. Okay. Pumping, pumping. Sir, it's a kumping or camping?
Camping. It's an English word. They have taken from English. You can simply say camping. Okay.
Camping. Don't. Vader, but, aunt. Football. Foul, sharp. Okay, again. Tuck, loop. H and otherwise it's a silent. Okay. All, going, shame. Again, saying. A means why. Okay. Sir, J means why, right?
Yeah sound, not why. Yeah sound, okay?
Yeah. So, yeah, jung, okay. Jung. Class. Chicken. Keller. Will. Hotman. Shrimp.
Okay.
Zenon.
Done. All.
Run. Lippe. Yeah, done.
So start from the top. I have shared my screen. Okay. Only the examples you have to speak. Only the examples. Okay. Speak them.
Keep.
Yeah.
Keep. Kint,
Hmm.
talk,
Hmm.
then alt,
Hmm.
dragon,
Hmm. Yeah. Next.
SN,
Hmm.
egal,
Egal. Egal.
egal, east,
Hmm.
wieder,
Hmm.
built,
Hmm. Okay. Next.
oder, Zoll, monad, corp,
Yeah. Oder, Zoll, Monad, and Corp.
corp.
Next.
Tune, mutter,
Hmm.
shoe,
Tone, Mutter, and Shoe. Correct. Okay. Next. B.
Balen,
Hmm.
obey,
Hmm.
corp, weep.
Yeah. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Keep.
Next. C.
Camping,
Camping. Yeah. Hmm. Next is D. Speak the example.
dome,
Hmm.
Vader,
Hmm.
Weeder,
Hmm.
Bat, Hand,
Yeah. Doom, Bider, Vidder, Bart, and Hunt. Next. F.
Foul,
Hmm.
Shaft,
Fowl and Shaft. Okay. Fowl and Shaft. Okay. Good.
Gegen, Tag,
Hmm.
Cloak,
Gegen, Tak, and Klug.
Cloak,
Right? Gegen, Tak, and Klug. Next is H. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Okay. So speak the example. Heart.
Right. Halt, gain,
Hmm.
shame.
Correct. Heart, gain, and Zain. Hmm.
Okay.
Next is J. Speak the example. J.
Younger,
Yunga.
young,
Yunga. Next. KLMNP. Kala Mana Power. Speak the example.
Kalsa,
Klasa.
Classer, chicken,
Hmm.
killer,
Keller.
will, Hartman, swim, rennen, brown,
Brown.
And
AU
lippy.
is ow. Brown and then lipper.
brown, lipper.
Okay. Okay. Now after P, next letter is Q. Right. So see here. Q always comes with U. QU is qua. QU sound is qua.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. So speak the example. Queer.
Square.
Correct.
QKV. That is what you written, right?
QU, not KV. QU is sound is qua. Sound is KV. Qua.
Qua.
Okay.
Okay.
Next is R.
Square.
R is
Square.
square. R is glutral. Glutral R. Glutral means something coming from inside of the neck. Raw. Like this.
Row.
Okay. Raw. So speak the example. Riser.
Riser.
Speak.
Riser.
Riser. Brooder. Glutral means coming from inside of the neck. Raw. Like this. Okay. Raw sound.
Right.
Next is
Razor,
Bruder and Schwester.
Brow,
Bruder and Schwester.
Bruder,
And Schwester. Okay.
Schwester. Okay.
Yeah, Bruder and Schwester. Got it? Okay. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Right? Single S is the, double S is sir. So speak the example.
The and double S means Z, right? Yes.
Yeah, single S is the, double S is sir. Okay?
Zingen, Schulos.
Zingen and Schloss.
Schulos.
Schloss, correct. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay? T is T for tomato. Speak the example. Tanken.
Tanken.
And Ratten. Okay? Tanken and Ratten. Next is V. V is for and W is ver. Okay? V is having the for sound. For and W is ver. W is ver. So speak the example. Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Okay, it's a car company. Volkswagen.
अच्छा V मतलब for.
Yeah, for sound. Okay, V is having the for sound. That becomes Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Correct. Okay.
Volkswagen.
Yeah. Speak the next example. Feel. Speak. Feel.
Okay. Wheel means feel. Okay.
Feel. For sound. Next. For. Next.
Wasser.
Next. Vegan.
And wo.
Wasser, vegan and wo. Okay. Good. Next is X. X is having the X sound only. Okay. Always it is the X sound only. Yeah. So speak this example. Extragen. Speak this.
Extragen.
Correct. Extragen is okay. It's a German word. That means X-rays. X-rays is the meaning. Extragen is the word. Then this image is little bit cut from here. Okay. This is Y. Y is we. Speak we.
Okay.
We.
We.
So this example is twip. Y is we. Twip. And next is Z. Yeah. Next is Z. Z is mix of toy and sir. Okay. Z is mix of toy and sir. So speak the example. Sight and sook. Sight and sook. Okay. Sook. Sight and sook.
Yeah. Zite and
sook. Z-U-G. Sook.
Zook.
Yeah. So I am sending you the second file. Okay. Download that file first and revise everything from Q till Z. Okay. Revise it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll discuss them again from Q to Z. Okay. Got the file?
Yeah, I got the file. So we'll call this a KB. Curve. Square. Yes. R means broader. Sweater. Zingen. Schloss. Tanken. Ratten. Volkswagen. So the in the Volkswagen, that we will pronounce as F, and then OL will pronounce as AW. Volkswagen, and field for Wasser vegan go extra extra tweet Zeit Zoop. Quer Browder Twister Blue Single Flows Tanken Rotten Volkswagen field for Wasser vegan go.
Yeah, start from Q now. Speak the examples from Q. Okay. Speak the examples. Square. Next.
Next, Browder.
Riser. First Riser. Okay. Riser and then Brooder. Riser.
Okay, Riser. Yeah. Riser. Then is Browder.
Yeah. Schwester.
Zingen. Then Schloss. Zingen. Schloss.
Tanken.
Rotten.
Volkswagen. Yeah.
Yeah, either actually doubt kiya na, F means it will come, V means F. The OL will come as AW. How?
No, after O it is more than one consonant. So O sound. Volkswagen. Volkswagen.
Okay, and L?
L is silent. Okay, here it is silent. Volkswagen. That is just one exception. No rule in that. Okay,
yeah,
Volkswagen.
Understood. L is silent here, then it's okay. Common. Correct.
Yeah.
Volkswagen. Then field for Wasser vegan go.
Correct. Field for Wasser vegan go. Next, X Strahlen. Okay.
Strahlen. Then Twip.
Yeah.
Zeiss. Twip. Zeiss. Zoop.
Site. Okay. Site.
Okay. Zeit. Zoop.
Soak. Okay. Okay, good. So we will do till here today. Okay, your homework is you have to revise everything till Z.
Yes.
Okay, revise all the rules. Okay, initially, today it is first lecture only, so you will not be able to learn all the rules properly. But in the next class, I'll make you practice some words. With that, you will be able to revise them and understand them all. Okay?
Understood.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Let me close this.